let's see. All right, now, you OG folks are gonna know where I'm going once we get up here in a second. I started just a tad early, but you OG folks, once we get here, you're gonna know where I'm going, so get ready. Folks, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. Y'all hear the noise, you know we're at the track. And for those OG folks, look behind me, you know where I'm at. We're at Cecil County Dragway, and we're out here to get some testing and tuning done on Shake and Bake to see what we can make happen today. So y'all seen that last video, we ran a 1009 at MIR in some pretty bad weather. It's not quite as bad today. It's a little bit cooler. Grains are a little bit lower. They're still over 100, but they're a little bit lower, like 101, 102, somewhere around in there. So grains are still bad, but not as bad as the last run. So hopefully we can get a little bit of better time. But y'all see the little banner out there, Cecil County Dragway, 60 years. 60 years they've been here. But we got a lot of test and tune cars. Y'all see them up there.
A lot of gamblers.
You see Mr. Incredible Hemi here with Kong. Y'all know he's going for a 10. You know, we're going for a 9. So we're gonna see what happens today. So stay tuned, folks. Here it comes.
Round 1.
All right, folks, here we go. Round 1. Pretty good, actually. Felt pretty good, folks. Not a bad first run, I think. Let's see, the car says 10.0. The Draggy says 9.9, folks. Draggy says 9.98. Alrighty, thank you. right, we're number 102. We're in the right lane. 153, 60 foot. 6'4" to the 8th at 111. 994 at 142. 141.95, so 142. Woohoo! Yeah, buddy. Oh yeah, watch out. Shake and bake is back in the nines, folks. In the heat. We get back, I'll talk to you about the DA. I'll run down the slip again and we'll talk about the DA when we get back to the pits, because we got some time. But we back in the nines, folks. I got a draggy that says nines. That's what I've been waiting on. I've been waiting for the draggy to tell me I got a 9. And we got 100% proof. No dawn switch time slips or any of that craziness people come up with. I got a draggy that says 9.9. Woo-wee! Yeah, buddy. Let's go back, cool down, and we'll come up for an... well, let's go back, cool down. I'll go over the ticket and give you the DA too. All right, folks, quick wrap up of that run. 153, 60 foot, 6'4" to the 8th at 111. 9948 at 141.95. Might as well say 142. Shake and Bake was rolling, boy. She was rolling, especially for that DA. 77 degrees, 74% humidity, 106 grains, which is terrible, by the way. Not as bad as last week, but still terrible. And 2278 DA. Hey, awesome run for Shake and Bake, man. We're out here having a good time. Incredible Hemi's having a few issues. We're gonna figure him out and get him back up and running. But we're gonna go for probably one more run, maybe two, depending. There's a lot of things going on today. It was supposed to be just test and tune only. Now it's a gambler's race and double buy-in and just all kinds of stuff going on. So I may only get one more run in, but I'll try and get two, but it may be only one more run. So emailed the log to Dave. Hopefully he'll take a look at it, see what's going on, make sure we're good to go, and off we go.
Round 2.
All right, here we go, round 2, folks. Not good. Peg that limiter again, folks. Waited all that time just to hit the limiter. But hey, it's all good. It is what it is. We'll grab the time slip anyway. Alrighty, thank you. Well, we started off good with a 1.52 60 foot. And yeah, from there we got out of it and just coasted 8.5 to the 8, 12, 15.7, 15.7 1/4 mile. Hey, we got a good first run, not so good second run. But hey, that's the way it goes sometimes, folks. Same thing happened last week at MIR. We got a great first run, and second run, not sure what happened. I either spun or just maybe the trans slipped, hit the limiter, or I spun, one or the other. Didn't feel like I spun. Felt like it launched pretty good with a 1.52 60 foot. So we're gonna go back to the pits. We'll put in the DA, do a wrap up, and call it a video. Alrighty, folks. So of course that second run was terrible. Y'all heard it. So 1.52 60 foot, 8.5 to the 8 at 60 miles an hour, 15.7 at 67 miles an hour. So the DA is 88 degrees. Or 83 degrees, 57% humidity, and 98 grains, and 2602 DA. So it was terrible DA too, but it is what it is, you know. You win some, you lose some. Just like last week, we got a good first run, and then the second run was terrible. So at least we got the one good run, which is a personal best, not only in the 8th, but also in the 1/4 mile. And not only ET, but trap speed for both of those. So, hey, we did something good today. We ran a 9, still in terrible weather in the heat. So, you know, it is what it is. The car's gonna do what the car's gonna do. The track's gonna hold what the track can hold, and it is what it is. Still had a lot of fun with incredible Hemi. Y'all ever meet up with him, he's a great guy, awesome guy to talk to. You know, very approachable, great guy. But that's gonna do it for this one, folks. If you're stopping in for the first time, please check out the rest of the channel. If you like what's going on with the rest of the channel, do me them few things. Like, subscribe, smash the bell, shoot me a comment, share it on your social media. I'll definitely appreciate it. Shake and Bake will definitely appreciate it, because every red penny from YouTube goes right back into Shake and Bake. That's it for this one, folks. Till the next one, adios.